you have to start with the solved example, page number 46, related to the topic the relation between the roots of the quadratic equation and the coefficient. First example is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0, then find sum of the roots and the product of the root. Then you have to compare this equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From that, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 6 and c is equal to minus 5 will come. Then you have to find out the sum of the root. Sum of the root means alpha plus beta and product of the root means alpha into beta. You know that alpha plus beta, sum of the root is equal to minus b upon a. You have to put the value of b as 6, a as 2, and the 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, means sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 will come. In this way, you have to find out the sum of the root. Product of the root alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Value of c is minus 5. Value of a is 2. You have to put value of c and a. We will get the product of the root alpha into beta is equal to minus 5 upon. Then you have to come to the next question. The question is the difference between the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 13x plus k is equal to 0 is 7. Find k. Means difference between the root is given. Difference means if the alpha is greater than beta, at that time alpha minus beta is equal to 7 is given. And the quadratic equation is given, you have to find out the value of k. How you have to find out the value of k, that you have to see. So I will say that comparing this equation x square minus 13x plus k is equal to 0 with x square plus bx plus c, from that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 13, c is equal to k will come. If let alpha and the beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, for the given condition is that difference between the roots is 7. Then if alpha is greater than beta, at that time difference between the two root is 7. Means if alpha is greater than beta, at that time alpha minus beta is equal to 7. This is the equation 1. And you know that the sum of the root is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. You have to put the value of b as minus 13, a as 1. This answer minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus 13 will come. Then sum of the root is plus 13. Sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to 13 will come. Then here one of the equation is alpha plus beta is equal to 7. This is equation 1. Alpha minus beta is equal to 7. This is equation 1. And alpha plus beta is equal to 13. This is equation 2. If you want to find out the alpha and beta, at that time by the linear equation in two variable, the by the method of the elimination or substitution, you have to find out the value of alpha and beta. I will find out this value of alpha and beta by the elimination method. So I will add equation 1 and equation 2 together. Equation 1 plus equation 2 is equal to alpha minus beta is equal to 7. Alpha plus beta is equal to 13. This plus alpha minus plus beta minus beta cancel. Alpha plus alpha is equal to 2. Alpha is equal to 20. Alpha is equal to 20 upon 2. Alpha is equal to 10 will come. If you will put alpha is equal to 10 in any equation 1 or 2, you will get the beta. So I will put alpha is equal to 10 in equation 2. Alpha plus beta is equal to 13. 10 plus beta is equal to 13. You have to transpose this 10 that side. This plus 10 become minus 10. Beta is equal to 13 minus 10. Beta is equal to 3 will come. But you have to find out the value of k. If you want to find out the value of k, then you know that product of the root is equal to c upon a. Product of the root, one value of the alpha is 10, beta is 3, value of c is k, value of a is 1. According to that, 10 3s are 30. K divided by 1 is equal to k. 30 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 30 will come. In this way, you have to solve this example. You have to try to understand this example properly. Then third sub question, third question is alpha and the beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Find alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha square plus beta square. Then comparing this equation 1x square minus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1 will come, b is equal to minus b is equal to plus 5 will come, and c is equal to minus 1 will come. Then you have to find out the value of alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha square plus beta square. So what you have to do according to that, the relation between the coefficients and the roots, we have to say that sum of the root is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is equal to minus 5 upon 1 is equal to minus 5. Therefore, alpha plus beta value will come 5. This is the sum of the root. Product of the root is equal to c upon a is equal to minus 1 upon 1. Minus 1 upon 1 is equal to minus 1 will come. And alpha into beta is equal to minus 1 will come. Then once we get the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, you know the standard identity. Last year already we proved this identity. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. You have to learn this identity and you have to put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Here alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, alpha plus beta. Already we are getting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. You have to put that value. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5 cube minus 3 into minus 1. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5. Here minus 5 raised to 3 is equal to minus 125 will come. Then minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus. Plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. 5, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. Minus 15 will come. Minus 125 minus 15 is equal to minus 40. Therefore alpha plus beta cube value will come minus 140. This value of the alpha cube plus beta cube will come. Then alpha square plus beta square. For finding the alpha square plus beta square, again last year we learned this identity. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 into alpha into beta. You have to put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. 5 minus 5 square is equal to plus 25 and minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus. 2 1 are 2. 25 plus 2 is equal to 27. In this way, we will get the value of alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 27. In this way, you have to find out the alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha square plus beta square. You have to write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.